Hello everyone! Are you curious about how people do laundry in Antarctica? Let's explore! Antarctica, the coldest and windiest continent on Earth, presents unique challenges for daily life, including the simple task of doing laundry. With its harsh climate, limited resources, and remote location, Antarctica requires innovative solutions for meeting basic needs such as washing clothes. While doing laundry in Antarctica may not be as straightforward as it is in more temperate climates, residents and researchers stationed on the continent have developed creative strategies and techniques to keep their clothes clean and fresh. One of the most common methods for doing laundry in Antarctica is using a combination of manual and machine washing techniques. Many research stations and field camps in Antarctica are equipped with basic laundry facilities, including washing machines and dryers, which are used to clean clothes on a regular basis. However, these facilities may be limited in capacity and availability due to factors such as limited water supply, energy constraints, and harsh weather conditions. In addition to using washing machines and dryers, residents and researchers in Antarctica may also employ manual washing techniques to clean their clothes. This can involve hand washing clothes in sinks or basins using soap and water, scrubbing out stains and dirt by hand, and rinsing clothes thoroughly to remove soap residue. While manual washing may be more time-consuming and labor-intensive than using a machine, it can be an effective way to clean clothes when other options are unavailable. Another consideration when doing laundry in Antarctica is the use of water and energy resources. With limited access to fresh water and energy sources such as electricity and fuel, residents and researchers must be mindful of their usage when washing clothes. This may involve conserving water by washing clothes in small batches, reusing rinse water for multiple loads, and using energy-efficient washing machines and dryers whenever possible. In addition to conserving resources, residents and researchers in Antarctica must also contend with the challenges of drying clothes in a cold and windy environment. Hang-drying clothes outdoors may be impractical due to the extreme weather conditions, including freezing temperatures and high winds, which can cause clothes to freeze solid or blow away. Instead, residents may opt to dry their clothes indoors using drying racks or clotheslines in heated buildings or laundry rooms, where temperatures are more conducive to drying. In some cases, residents and researchers in Antarctica may also use alternative methods for cleaning and freshening clothes when traditional laundry facilities are unavailable or impractical. This can include techniques such as spot cleaning stains with vinegar or baking soda, airing out clothes to remove odors and moisture, and using portable washing devices such as scrub boards or wash bags to clean clothes in the field. While these methods may not be as effective or convenient as using a washing machine, they can be useful for maintaining hygiene and comfort in remote or austere environments. Furthermore, residents and researchers in Antarctica must also consider the environmental impact of their laundry practices. With its fragile ecosystems and pristine landscapes, Antarctica is particularly sensitive to pollution and contamination, including from detergents and chemicals used in laundry products. To minimize their environmental footprint, residents and researchers may use biodegradable or eco-friendly laundry detergents, avoid washing clothes in natural waterways, and dispose of wastewater responsibly according to local regulations. In conclusion, doing laundry in Antarctica presents unique challenges and considerations due to the continent's harsh climate, limited resources, and remote location. Residents and researchers stationed on the continent have developed creative strategies and techniques for washing clothes, including using a combination of manual and machine washing techniques, conserving water and energy resources, and drying clothes indoors in heated buildings. By employing innovative and sustainable laundry practices, residents and researchers in Antarctica can maintain hygiene and comfort while minimizing their environmental impact on this fragile and pristine wilderness. The goal of this channel is to answer all the questions in the world in video format. After we achieve it, when you search for anything on internet, you will be able to watch a video answering your question instead of reading an article. However, if we want to achieve our goal of answering 1 million questions, we need your help. Please support us on Patreon by using the link in the description. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, follow the channel for more related content, and see you later. Goodbye.